Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing great. Today we will learn about algebraic manipulation. What is mean by algebraic manipulation? This simply means changing algebra expression to make them simpler or more useful. We do this in three main ways. First, we simplify an expression, expanding and then factorizing. What is mean by simplifying expression? How do we simplify an expression? To simplify means to collect like terms में जिनके वेरिएबल्स और जिनकी पावर्स हमारे पास क्या होती हैं, सेम होती हैं. I will explain it to you with a short example. For example, 2a plus 3b minus 5a minus 9b. As you can see, 2a and 5a. 2 and 5 have the same variable and 3 and 9 have the same variable. So हम इनको group like term में लिखेंगे जैसे 2a minus 5a plus 3b minus 9b equals to 2a minus 5a minus 3a plus 3b minus 9b, that is equals to minus 6b. The final answer is minus 3a minus 6b. In simplifying expression, we only add the numbers. Later will remain the same. Now, second, how do we expand a term? Expanding expression means removing bracket using multiplication. I will give you an example. First, with single bracket. For example, I have an example 3x into 2x minus 4y. As you can see that कि हमारे पास जो 2x minus 4y है, ये किस में है? ब्रैकेट्स में है. तो हम ब्रैकेट्स में है तो हम इसको एक्सपेंड करेंगे. एक्सपेंड करने के लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे? मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 3x को टर्म के साथ. ठीक है, हमारे पास हम इसको एक्सपेंड करने के लिए 3x को हम क्या करेंगे? मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इनके साथ. तो हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा? इज इक्वल्स टू 3 2s आर 6x से मल्टीप्लाई किया x स्क्वायर माइनस 3 4s आर 12xy. This is the final answer. First, if we have double brackets, then what we will do? Example 2, x plus 2 into x minus 4. Now we can write it as x into x minus 4 plus 2 into x minus 4. Multiply x with this term, x into x square minus 4x plus 2 into this 2x plus minus 2 4s are 8. Now x square, 4 and 2 have the same variable x, so we're gonna subtract them because 4 with negative sign, plus minus 4x plus 2x is minus 2x minus 8. This is the final answer. Notice in expanding an expression, we multiply each term inside the brackets so we can expand them. Third and the last one is factorizing an expression. We will learn how do we factorize an expression. Basically, factorizing an expression is the reverse of expanding an expression. So, we take out the greatest common factor. For example, I have an example 9x square plus 15xy. In factorizing, we take a greatest common factor. So, the common factor between 9 and 15 is 9x square plus 15xy is 3x. So we can write them 3x into equals to 3x into 3 3s are 9, x are x square, so we write x plus 3 5s are 15, x हमने common ले लिया and we have y here. This is the answer. Factorizing is like putting the expression back into brackets. As I told you, it's the reverse of expanding. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.